Okay, so today we're gonna remove the spark plugs for this 2011 Jeep Liberty 3.7. So we got 6 spark plugs. So it's 1, 2, 3, and these cables runs to all the way here. So here's 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to replace the spark plug cables. So this one's right here. So let's do it. Okay, so we disconnect the battery. We're gonna use number 10, the negative one. So to disconnect this one's here. Okay, so just press this lap down and just pull it, and this one too. You can remove this hose here. Okay, so carefully you grab a plier, just gentle, like try to remove this hose. There you go. Maybe not. Okay. There you go. So we're gonna use number 10 to remove the ignition coil, but we're gonna do one at a time. So we're gonna do this one first, and then we're gonna do the one that's in the cable here. So okay, so we disconnect this one first, and we remove the bolt. You use a 10 millimeter socket to remove it. Go. Okay, so remove it. There you go. So now we have to remove the spark plug that is inside that hole right there. So for that we're going to use this one. What is this? Spark plug socket, a long extension. Just put it in there with a wrench. Have here our spark plug. So this one use NGK, but also we can use champion ones. Let me show you one. Okay, so we use champion. So for the gap we're gonna use 44 44. So we got our coin. Ouch. Coin right here. So right now is, let me see. Right now it's like 38. Like 38. Okay. So we're gonna open to 44. Okay. So now it's like 47. So let's close it a little bit. Hit it on the top just a little bit, not too hard. Check again. And it's 45. And just a little bit on the top. There you go. Let's see. And now it's still 45. There you go. And 44. That's good. So you can see it's 44 inch. Again, 44 inch right there. Okay. I always use this little hose here to put my spark plug like this, and I'm gonna put it inside there now. Just be careful and just pin it. There you go. There you go. Okay. Just there we go. Okay. All right. So you're gonna do the same thing for the rest of the other spark plugs. So this side. So now we're gonna move to this side right here, and we're gonna replace the cable too. Well, let me show you. So this one is a little clip here. So let's see, sometimes it's really tricky. See the other side. Okay, so here's the clip. Just it's like this, and with the small screwdriver, just show you. So just in one of the corners right here, try to put the screwdriver inside here, and it's gonna pop out. So okay, so take this out. We follow where it's located, and it's here. Let's see. There you go. Okay, this is the same thing, so we're gonna open it from this side here. Okay, so we open it. There we go. Okay, so we follow this wire here, so it's the one on the middle. It's right here. There you go. Take it out, and I'm going to remove the spark plug. So here is the other one. So we're gonna get the new one of 44-inch, the gap. So I'm gonna cap these spark plugs with my hose. Just put it right here, like slow. There you go. There we go. Alright, so this is still the spark plug. So now get this one. Get this one. We're gonna measure which one we're gonna use. So we're going to use this one right here. Okay, as you can see, it's the same length. So this one is garbage now. We'll install the new one. So put this one here. Down. Like this. Down here, and we put the ignition coil, the coil back in place like this. And let's put this one here and reconnect this one here, and we're gonna tie this ball right here. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, everything is on place. So when you finish, like put it at all the spark plugs and the cables, just use this little bracket to put it there and make it nice and neat. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you to change your own spark plugs, and thanks for watching. For next steps, just remove this one and remove the cable to the other side. Thank you guys, and please subscribe.